Hey pros, Crystal here from Elite Hair Care USA. So today we are basically fixing my client's hair that is damaged in regards to a lot of breakage in different places. To get started, we went ahead and did a full-on shampoo using our Moist Repair shampoo and conditioner. Now, she is natural, by the way. I didn't mention that in the beginning. So the Moist Repair is perfect for a situation such as hers, where she is color treated and also natural all at the same time. So we did the Moist Repair shampoo and conditioner, and then we sprayed on the leave-in conditioner, and she went under the dryer to dry. We also did a protein treatment as well to assist her with a lot of the shedding that she had going on. And our Elite Repair RX is ideal for situations such as hers, where she was shedding in more places than necessary. And then we went through and conditioned her and just got her prepared. All right, so now that her hair is fully dry, I'm just going through and silk pressing her so that we can see our lines, see exactly where or the extension of the damage, and be able to know, how far we need to cut for us to be able to get her hair in a healthy place. A lot of people will say at time of the haircut, oh my gosh, you cut so much, you cut so much. To be quite honest, the longer you hold on to split ends, the more damage you see. So no matter how long you try to hold on to those split ends, they do not repair themselves. That breakage does not stop. So really, it's best to go ahead and just do that haircut at the beginning and allow that beautiful, healthy hair to begin that process of growing out, and then just keep up with your trim schedule. Now, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Also, be sure to share this video with your family and friends. And also comment, because you can, just so you guys know, commenting and thumbsing up my videos tells YouTube to rank me amongst the other billion and trillion subscriber channels. So Elite Hair Care, it needs to be among those channels. So please, you guys, comment, tell me what you guys think, comment your questions. I do try to answer questions the first 24 hours of the video being up. And also don't forget to thumbs up this video as you guys watch. Now, I'm not going to take you guys through the entire silk press process, but I did want you guys to see a good amount of that process to really understand what is required when we are trying to restore or repair the hair back to some level of health. Of course, one wash day and haircut is not going to fix every problem that she's had, but this is definitely going to put her in the right direction. If you can also tell, I am not doing extremely small sections for my silk pressing, and I'm maintaining tension all the way through the strand so that I don't have to go back and press her continuously, as you guys would see a lot of stylists do. Typically, I don't give more than 3 passes per section unless absolutely necessary, because my goal is, of course, to control and preserve the integrity of the client's hair. And I don't want to be the reason why my client is not able to revert at any point in time, if that is something that they're choosing to do. Now, if I'm heat training, that's a little bit different, but definitely want to make sure that I am doing my best to make sure my client is in the right direction. Now, I did use my cutting cape. We consulted about where her haircut would be best, and she agreed. So we went ahead and just started the cut there. My clippers allows me to get that straight line without human error. But of course, you have to make sure that you know how to control your clippers to do that part. So after we take off the cutting cape, the job now is just to go through and clean up her haircut, and also to start blending. A lot of people would want to just leave the hair at this state, which you can. This is what we call like a blunt cut, but I like to soften the haircut. I don't like to have hard haircuts unless my client requests it. So to soften the haircut, basically you're going to add layers. There are different degrees of layers, you guys. Not all layers are the same. So some people want long layers. Some people want layers all over. So that really is just going to be the idea based on the style for the client, but you don't have to always get layers. I just like to soften my client's haircut, and I'm also just going through and cleaning up any little stray hairs that may have been shorter than the area that I cut preliminarily. Okay. All right. So hair color wise, she does have her hair colored if you guys can tell. Nothing's going to stop her from getting a haircut at this moment. Her hair is not damaged beyond repair, so she can definitely get her hair color. But I would highly recommend you guys, if you are dealing with a situation where your hair is just basically needing TLC, I wouldn't recommend getting any form of color that's going to require lightening, or it's going to be a long process color. So I would probably stick with like a demi-permanent or a semi-permanent color. Also, if you guys notice, her hair totally just got extremely full after we just cut off about some areas. It was 1 inch of hair, some areas was 3 inches of hair, some areas it was 5 inches of hair. But to be quite honest, this haircut was really needed for her because it really just brought life back to her hair. And that's very important. I don't want you guys to always worry about length. The length is going to come no matter which direction you go. But is it healthy length is really where you want to focus, because healthy length is the only one that will last. I see a lot of people try to hold on to straggly split ends, and they really don't take care of their hair, and then they wonder why they still have to get a haircut a year later. Now let's talk about Aftercare. For her, I'm definitely going to continue to recommend the Moist Repair Sulfate-Free Shampoo and the Moist Repair Conditioner. This particular system is ideal for her. Number one, the shampoo is sulfate-free, so it is not going to strip her hair of that beautiful hair color that she has. And it is also going to help to hydrate the hair and also not contribute to dehydrating the hair, which can sometimes happen with sulfate-based shampoos. Not all, but some. Also, I would recommend her doing an Elite Repair RX treatment every couple of weeks. And that is just going to help to rebuild those bonds in the hair and add strength to her hair. Now, I just sprayed a little bit of our Elite Goddess polish just to add a little more shine on top of the shine that she already has. And outside of that, you guys, she's actually all done. So you guys comment down below. Tell me what you guys thought about the new haircut. And also don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up this video. Oh, lastly, the hairspray that I'm using is Sebastian Shaper. You can also use that at home as well. It just helps to keep the little fray hairs down and it doesn't build up on the hair. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll let you finish watching the end result. And don't forget to comment and thumbs up. Later.